If you're getting ready to start a remote cleaning business, then you need to do yourself a serious favor and watch this video first. Because the whole remote cleaning model appeal is on how fast it starts. Now you can put an ad up today and get a paying customer by the weekend. And that speed is absolutely real. But here's what I need you to see before you ever invest a single dollar in that model. The business that looks fast month one could actually be the business that is really, really slow to grow. Let me show you exactly how that happens with a hypothetical race. First, let me be fair because I know this model intimately, and I am not here to trash remote cleaning at all. I just want to show you how it works. You're going to run ads on Google, Thumbtack for house cleaning. Leads are going to come in. You're going to bring on independent cleaners. You're going to have 1099 subs who carry their own supplies. And when a job books, you send them out to clean. You can use a fancy CRM or you can text something like, hey, you got a house to clean tomorrow. They clean it, they keep a cut, and then you keep the rest. And honestly, if your goal is just put another grand in your pocket every month and you don't mind the moving parts, then it's actually the real deal. People actually make real money with this model. But you're not here to make a grand on the side, right? You're here trying to figure out which business is actually worth building. So let's run that race. Two people start on the exact same day. Owner A opens up a remote residential cleaning business. Owner B goes after commercial office contracts, basically the stuff I do. And I'll be straight with you. If you made me bet who lands the first paying customer, yeah, I'm going to put all my money on the residential guy every single time. But getting the first customer and building the better business faster, those are two very, very different things. But I want you to pay attention to what actually happens between these two, because month one, owner A, the remote guy, is off to the races. The ads are running, the phone's ringing, and he lands 6 customers. A couple of them are one-time cleans, but let's say 4 of them stick at around $300 a month each, give or take. That's roughly $1,200 per month in recurring revenue in 30 days. Meanwhile, owner B, the commercial guy, he's had a few conversations, maybe even a walkthrough or two, but he hasn't closed a single account yet. So if we put this on the scoreboard, month one, it's not even close. $1,200 to nothing. The remote guy is crushing him. And this is the exact moment you'd look at that scoreboard and think to yourself, yeah, residential is clearly the smarter play. Now let's run it forward into month two. The remote guy keeps grinding. More and more ad spend, more leads, and a couple of his customers cancel. So now he's replacing people just to stay even. He fights his way to $2,000, maybe $3,000 per month. It's real progress, no doubt. But over on the other side, something interesting happens. Owner B finally lands an account. It's an office at $5,000 or $6,000 per month on a contract. And just like that, in a single afternoon, the scoreboard flips. The guy who had nothing for the first 2 months just blew past the guy who's been winning since day one. So what actually happened? Well, it's everything you can't see on that scoreboard. And I know these numbers cold. Every one of those remote customers costs money to get. You're paying $5, $10, $15 just per click on the ads, and plenty of the operators, business owners, are dropping a couple of grand to even $4,000 per month just to keep the leads flowing. So what happens next is your cleaner is going to take their cut, usually about 40 to 45%, sometimes more, of a job. So by the time the ads are paid off and your sub is paid, that same $1,200 a month isn't $1,200 in your pocket. Now you might be keeping around 20% of it. But here's the part a lot of people always talk themselves out of. You're thinking, okay, I'll just be great and keep all of my customers. And I love that mindset, but you simply can't do that. And not because you're bad at it, it's because of what residential cleaning actually is. See, a huge slice of the work is going to be one and done by design. A move-out clean, a one-time deep clean before the in-laws come to town, people who essentially want the service once and are gone the second it's finished. See, those folks were never going to stick around no matter how good you are. And the ones who actually do stay on, well, even they leave. This industry loses a quarter to a third of its recurring revenue every single year. So a big chunk of your revenue is going to always be walking out of the door no matter what you do. And that's why sadly for most, they're never growing. You're instead just trailing water, buying brand new customers just to replace the ones who were always going to go. And that isn't me theorizing from a sideline. A big chunk of the people who come to work with me already went down this exact road. And when they tell me why this business stalled out, it's always word for word what I'm describing right now in this video. They were just throwing so much volume just to make any real money, and ultimately they could never get ahead of it. This video is that conversation that I've had with these folks, unfortunately, over and over after the fact. Meanwhile, that one commercial account is a big block of recurring revenue, under contract, cleaned at night, and that just keeps paying. So I want you to look at each one of these guys and what they're really collecting. The remote guy looks like he's stacking up wins because the sales bell keeps ringing, but every one of those wins is also weight. It's another house to schedule, another cleaner to manage, another customer who ultimately most likely may cancel, and it's another lead that you paid for. The commercial guy, he rang that sales bell way less, but every time he did, he moved a huge distance down the road, and that distance stays put. It doesn't churn out from under him. So here's the picture I want to leave you with. You have two people walking. One is taking very, very tiny steps. The other one is taking 5 giant strides. For the first few seconds, the person taking the tiny steps looks so much busier because he's got his arms pumping, his feet are flying. But if you zoom out and look at the ground actually covered, the guy who took 5 big steps is way further down the road. And that's essentially residential versus commercial. One of them is going to give you more motion. The other is going to cover way more ground every time you move. So no, I'm not telling you remote cleaning can't work. It can. My actual problem with the model isn't that it doesn't work. It's what you have to do to keep feeding it to keep it moving. The ad budget, the constraint hires, the endless replacing of customers who leave. See, commercial feels slower at the start. I already admitted that the remote guy is going to be off to a faster start, especially when it comes to getting your first customer. But just give it 90 days. One road is going to leave you with a pile of small, thin margin jobs that you're forever refilling. And the other is going to leave you with a handful of big recurring office contracts that actually helps you scale. And honestly, a life that is a whole lot simpler. So before you jump on the model that looks the fastest out of the gate, I need you to ask yourself a real question here. And it's not who gets the first customer. It's who gets further down the road a year from now, even 6 months from now. Because the bell ringing early, the sales bell, it's amazing, but it just doesn't always mean you're winning. So if you want help building the version that actually puts you further down the road, a high-ticket office cleaning business where a handful of contracts instead of hundreds of customers that you're always replacing can make it to where your company is making real money with very simple operations, then I want you to click the first link in the description. Have a call, talk with my team, see how we can help you get from point A to point B with a very simple office cleaning business. Just click the first link in the description to apply. If you want to know a little bit more about the model first, watch this video right here. I'll see you over there.